Wow! I got package today from Osaka, Japan. Konnichiwa. My name is Joy and I received your letters from Midori Gaoka Elementary School. For the students of this school, thank you so much for the letters that I received from you guys. Let me open it. I just came from work, the call center work. Let me open this one. I'm very grateful. I received it, even though it's very long time. At least I received this letter. It's really, really a good gift coming from you, the students of Midorigaoka Elementary School. Let me open this. Mhm. Opening this. I'm very careful, don't want to ruin the address of this school. Receiving a letter from you guys, from the student of this school, it's really an honor. Oh, so you both buying it. It's really good. Really good presentable in an orange cover and with the red ribbon. It's really nice. Thank you so much. Let me read this to all of you guys. It says Dear Joy and it's my name. So it's really plenty of messages here. It's overwhelmed. I'm very happy to receive all of this. Let me read, a few. So, dear Joy, thank you for listening to me. Did you know about Japan? Come to Japan someday. Daiichi. Yes, I will come to Japan someday. Yes, I will do that. And I will see you. And of course, I will meet you there. And second page. Hello, Joy. Thank you for using your precious time. I'm glad you know about Japan. Thank you very much. Yes, of course. I went there for twice. I know the culture, some of the culture, and the